Hey, and welcome to the show. I'm the Crypto Kid, and in these videos, we take a look at everything cryptocurrency and everything Bitcoin. So today, we'll take a look to see what's going on in the news, but let's start by checking out to see what Bitcoin's doing right now. So looking at the news, we can see that Bitcoin is up. That means that we are headed through the 6K mark, in my opinion, because last night, as we were sitting around 5,700, it was looking like we were just about to break through that 5,800, and clearly we've got to that 6,000 mark or just before it. So keep looking at this price because we will continue to go up. It's almost certain with the pending fork that is happening with QuadrigaCX. And from that point forward, after the November 18th or 16th mark, when the fork does commence, it's anyone's guess where that money is going to flow to. So let's check out what's going on in the general market on Coinbase.com to see any changes. So as you can see, Bitcoin up a whopping 7.5%. Huge gains from yesterday, with a little bit of gains in the top 5 here. Dash is up a bit. Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, really impressive gains today with 4%. I just want to check that out to show you guys why I think Bitcoin Cash is, again, a prize winner at this price especially. As you can see, Bitcoin Cash has been struggling since the August 1st fork date, but now we're starting to see a lot of action as we head closer to the fork again. Now, the reason is because some people consider Bitcoin to be the absolute true Bitcoin. I put together a video yesterday that basically showcases what Roger Ver thinks about this. I'll leave the link below, but basically he definitely thinks that it is the way to go in terms of what is the true meaning of Bitcoin, P2P transactions, cash. Check it out, pretty interesting. So where do you have your money? A lot of people have been asking what to do with exchanges, what exchange offers the best services in terms of forks. In my opinion, it's going to be QuadrigaCX. I will leave a link in the below to check out their services. But if you're living in the States, in Japan, in Canada, anywhere else globally, this is a platform that will probably work well for you. I've seen a lot of scrutiny about other exchanges doing the right thing, doing the wrong thing. In my opinion, QuadrigaCX really plays it safe, but they give their customers the benefit of the doubt almost always. So in terms of forks, Bitcoin Cash, they were able to give you the money almost within the 2-day mark, having complete access. Not only that, but they still allow trading. So as you can see in the top here, they do have Bitcoin Cash to Canadian dollars. But you can always exchange this for American or USD as well. So whether you're looking to fund your account or withdraw, they have a ton of options here. And the only reason I'm getting into this right now is because a lot of times as we get all these new forks, whether it's Gold or SegWit, not always are you going to have every option available to you. But as far as I can see, QuadrigaCX really offers their clients all the options that you have available, almost combining all the options that all other currencies do into one place. But very easy to transfer your money in and out. They give you options Litecoin, Ether, Bitcoin, and then withdrawing. They have a lot of really cool options for both Canadian funds in CAD as well as USD, and the main 3 there again. And what you're going to see after the exchange here is they will also be adding both Bitcoin forks that happen from the SegWit 2x outcome. So that's pretty cool as well. So just thought I'd mention that because it is pretty neat. And if you guys were thinking about these new forks that are coming up, maybe you've heard of them, Bitcoin Silver, they're FUD. They're all just fake news. You're going to see a lot of this coming out. It's clickbait. People are just trying to see to get a reaction here. But you can see with the Bitcoin Silver, came out yesterday, across the board you saw a lot of these coming out. And basically they're just blatant copy and pastes from the Bitcoin Gold website. Now, whether any of these plan to actually make an effort to fork these, they will not be taken seriously in the market, or at least with the major exchanges. So, in my opinion, I would just focus on the SegWit 2x fork and just leave these all in the background to just sit there in the dark as where they deserve. So, something else I wanted to mention here with Bitcoin Cash is that you will start to see this go up. Now, whether you agree with Bitcoin Cash or not, as we head closer to the fork, it is a very good option that people are going to have, whether they're looking to put their money into SegWit 1x or 2x, 3x. I'm just kidding about 3x, but the cash option is still an option. and you're going to have people putting their money in there. And especially in Japan, there's a lot of support for it out in Asia. But you got to think, when people are looking to move cash and they want it done quickly and cheaply, they're going to be looking for these options. And right now, it's not happening with SegWit or Bitcoin. So you will start to see more of these, more of the funds work their way into Bitcoin Cash. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, please do so. And we will see you in the next one.